Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to identify wild strawberry plants. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store. And after that, just simply tap on the search icon at the bottom, search bar at the top, and search for picture this. So guys, this application will help you identify a plant. So make sure to download it and open the application into your device. Now, guys, just simply sign in into an account. And from here, this will be the homepage of the application. So now, guys, from here, you could just simply select the camera icon here on the middle at the bottom, and it will open up your camera. And now from here, just simply take a picture of your plant in order for it to be identified. So just simply take a picture. And after that, guys, it will be automatically be identified. And as you can see, this wild strawberry plant is a mock strawberry, and it is Pontentilla indica. And as you can see, you will have here the overview, and this plant looks healthy. And if we scroll down, we should have here basic information, and it is non-toxic to humans, and it is native to Philippines. And as you can see, you will have here different options about this plant. So pretty much over here, you will have the overview and how to care it, and you will have here explore as well to understand more about this plant. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.